Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you are welcome. Please don't leave without subscribing, and to my returning subscribers, thank you for the support. Today let's do something different. Let's bake, shall we? And these are the ingredients I'll be using. I'll be using some eggs, and when baking make sure your eggs are on room temperature. I'll be using some baking powder. I'll also be using some salt for some balance. I'll be using half cup of vegetable oil, and I'll be using some dried fruits. I'll also be using a cup of sugar. I'll be using 2 cups of flour. I'll be using vanilla essence. Vanilla goes very well with lemon flavor. The outcome is usually the bomb, and of course some oranges. So before we proceed, I'll butter my pan and dust it off with flour. And these are the oranges. It's time for me to prep. I'll try to zest some of the oranges because I'll be using some of the zest for the baking process, as you would see as we go along. So to get the zest, I'll be using that portion of my grater. If you have like a regular kitchen grater, you can use the smallest holes in it to extract the orange zest. You can see what I'm trying to do. So be careful not to cut too deep, else you get the bitter part. All we're looking for is that oily part where the flavors are locked in. And as you can see, I have gotten about a tablespoonful ish. So I'll just cook that and set that aside. Now I'll go ahead and cut the oranges and ready to juice them. I'm using a manual juicer. A manual citrus extractor rather. You can use a juicer if you have that. And this is how much juice I was able to get. So I'll set that aside and continue the prepping process. So now I'll just go ahead and sieve out my flour. What this does is help you incorporate some air into the flour and also take away any dirt that might be in your flour. So I'll sieve that alongside the baking powder. That's what I am doing. Now that it is done, I'll set that aside and begin to prep the wet ingredients. And I'm starting with my eggs. So please, if this is your first time here, you are absolutely welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And to my returning subscribers, I really cannot thank you enough. Thank you for the support always. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share with your friends. And if you are not subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. So I am breaking the eggs one after the other just to avoid using a bad egg. I've had these eggs for like 2 weeks and I didn't want to mix bad and the good, which is why I am doing that separately. So after that, I beat the eggs, mixed it, and then now I just added in the zest, mixed that in, and now it's time to add in the sugar. I will also mix the sugar properly. Now this cake is one that even a novice can make. Yes, it is easy to make. I'm not a baker, but I make this very well. Now after that, I added in my vanilla, about a teaspoonful, and then I added in the vegetable oil, and I'll mix that together. Now that it is well combined, it is time for me to begin to add in the flour. I'll just add that little by little until it is well combined. Now once the egg mixture and the flour is well combined, I'll add in the orange juice. orange goodness. So I'll add that in, mix that, and make sure it is well combined. Be careful not to over mix though. And once it is well combined, I'll put it into our baking tin. The oven has been preheating for a while now, so I'll just put that to the baking tin, add the dried fruit, heat it to take away any excess air, and then take it to the oven to bake. I baked this for exactly 1 hour. In 1 hour later, oh goodness, it's ready! Yay! It took me a lot of discipline not to bite into this while I was taking pictures. So please don't forget to like, comment, share, and of course subscribe. Leave me comments about what you think about this. Thank you so much. Don't forget to eat healthy, stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video.